now we will going to basically tell you about the migration. So you just need to search here basically migration CloudWays. Just search it on the search engine, and then here you will see we have one link of this one, which is how to use CloudWays WordPress migration plugin. So you can just open up this article. Now CloudWays team has given or built their own plugin. You can just watch this 4 minutes video and you can learn about migration. And after that, if you think that migration is not working for you with the plugin, you can again contact to support team. These guys will going to help you to migrate your website from some other hosting to cloud hosting. So for example, I have my one website called as um, business vidya website. Okay, business vidya website, and this website I have in hostinger. Okay, hostinger hosting. Now if I want to migrate this website to CloudWays, so I can just do that by watching this 4 minutes video. You just need to install one CloudWays migrator plugin inside your WordPress. Okay, and then you can basically migrate your complete website. So you can see this is my complete website, so I can just migrate this same website to the new CloudWays WordPress website which I have built. Okay, so it's very simple. Just go ahead, just search migration CloudWays, open up this article, watch this video. You will learn each and everything. In case if you watch this video, you followed the procedure, but still it is not working for you, just go ahead, contact to live chat support team. They will going to help you for migration for free. They will going to ask the username and password basically for the new website, or they can ask anything else as well. So whatever they are, just cooperate with them, and they will going to help you to migrate your website from some other hosting to your new WordPress website which you have built on CloudWays using cloud servers. That's it. So this is what the migration thing I want to tell you, and it is super simple. Do not worry. Okay.